We are a Vienna-based diagnostic company, and our goal is to provide every allergic patient in the world with a right first time test result that will allow his physician to use the best available therapy options and at the same time save money for the healthcare systems. Asian markets are fast-growing emerging markets, so especially for us as a young company with an innovative product that needs new markets that have not been harbored or spoiled by healthcare companies that use existing technology, it's very interesting to go to a market like China in particular. We had a very interesting trip with the Global Incubator Network to Hong Kong and Shenzhen before the pandemic. We participated in a lot of local events. At that time, our goal was to find partners for building a joint venture. On the one hand, because we were at that time aiming to have a manufacturing facility in China, because it's easier to enter the Chinese market if you have at least some sort of local production. And we were also looking for partners that could help us with the legal matters, regulatory matters. We have not yet achieved to enter the Chinese market. We are present with a distribution company in Hong Kong, and we are now planning to expand our activities to the so-called Greater Bay Area, which has less regulatory impact on our registration. But for the Greater China market, we still don't have the product registration in place. We were lucky, or I would say successful, because at the time when we were doing the trip with the Global Incubator Network, we participated in the Hong Kong Launchpad, and I think there were about 2,000 startups that entered the business plan and pitching competition, and we actually finished with first place, so it was a big success for us, which also gave us a bit of cash contribution and vouchers for using local tax, regulatory, legal consultants. So this was definitely a very big success for us. Unfortunately, our efforts started to get track when the pandemic hit the world, and our joint venture partners, they immediately switched to manufacturing FFP2 masks and other things that were COVID related. So we could not execute the plans that we had to build a manufacturing subsidiary in China yet. But we are still actively present on the market. We still have distribution partners, and we think that now that COVID is over, we will gain traction again. We are starting with India. This week I will go to India to have the commercial kickoff with our team there, which was also delayed for 2 years. And just yesterday we had partners from Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia here. So we have a very tight schedule with our expansion to Asia, and we are very happy that this is possible, and we rely on the partnerships that we have built, not at least by participating in the incubator network trips. Intensive, long days, but also party.